Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can generate the type of video you just finished watching with 100% free AI tools without wasting time. Let's just dive right in. Head on to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. I would like to generate a melodious, uplifting Christmas song in a female voice with repeated lyrics like Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And then click on the enter button and wait for ChatGPT to perform its magic. Now, ChatGPT gave me two different versions. Now, read through the lyrics, the first and the second one. I'm going to choose the very second verse. I think I prefer that more. I'm just going to long press on this and click on select. Then I'll copy the lyrics I prefer. Now we need to go to Suno.com, but before we go, we need to use a VPN to change our location to the United States. So this is the VPN I use, and I'm just going to click here, select the United States and turn it on. Once you see this countdown, just know that your VPN is active. Now let's go to Suno.com. This is the homepage. And as you can see, I have a lot of credits, and that is because I allow other people use my affiliate link to sign up. You too can do the same. Okay, if you want to generate your song, click on create right here. Make sure you are on custom so that you can be able to paste your lyrics. Let's go back to ChatGPT to copy our lyrics. Then you bring it back to Suno.com and paste it right here. Now we need the style of song. So we'll go back to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Give me the style prompt for this type of song so I can use it to generate in Suno.com. And ChatGPT gives me two different styles. So just read through and see the one you like. Copy and take it back to Suno.com and paste it right there. Now give your song a title so that when it saves on your device, you'll be able to use the name to search for it. So I'm just going to type Christmas 1 and I'll click on the create button while we wait for this to generate. Suno will generate 4 different versions for you. Please do not bother yourself about this because the song is incomplete. You can see it's asking us to upgrade for full song. So let's just come here. This is the first song and this is the second one right here. You play it, listen to it, and select the one you like. This is the very first song.
Merry Christmas. I wish you Merry Christmas. I wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And this is the second one.
Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I think I like the second one more. So to download this song, we're just going to click here, these 3 little dots here. Click on it and you see this button right here. Now click on this download button and download it in MP3 format. You can see right here, MP3. So click on that and just click on download anyway. So that will download the song onto our device. I'm sure you're getting value from this video. So please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome and amazing content like this. And the next thing now is for us to go to Grok AI to generate images for this song. Come to Grok.com and click on sign in. So I'm just going to sign in with one of my Gmail. Click on login with Gmail. Now that we are logged into Grok, we need to come to these settings right here. Click on your profile and come to settings and go to behavior and come here. See this enable auto video generation. Turn it off. You can see I've turned mine off. Make sure it is off. Click on imagine and come here. Select if you want to generate video or images. Select your preferred aspect ratio. Then paste in your prompt here. It's a very simple prompt. A man, his wife, and a beautiful daughter in a Christmas decorated sitting room. And this is what we have. So look at it and select the particular one you would love to convert to a video. Just click on make video or type a customized prompt for your video. If you want them to dance, if you want them to sing, whatever you want them to do, type it there and click on make video, and before you know it, your video will be ready. These are some of the videos I generated in the past, and this is how Grok AI animated it. It's beautiful. You can see that it's lovely. You can decide to download it. Click on this download button right here and download it onto your device. You can as well generate multiple versions of this particular video. You can generate only the child, only the father, only the woman playing the guitar, whatever, however you want to. Just generate multiple versions of it. Then you can take it to your video editor like CapCut or InShot to combine it together with the song we generated from Suno. Now I'm going back to ChatGPT to copy some of the lyrics of the song, and then we're going to bring it back to Grok AI, paste the lyrics so that the video can at least lip sync to the song. So let's see how that comes out. If it doesn't come out well, we're going to be using another platform to lip sync this particular sound and see what we have. This is the lip sync video that Grok AI generated for us. Not bad, but not so good. This is the second generation, and not so bad, but not so good either. That is why I've decided to take this video to DreamFace. We're going to be using the app, and this is what the user interface looks like. Click on video lip sync, click on avatar, select one of the Christmas videos we just generated, click on add script, click on imports, then click on from file. Now go to your audio and then search for the name that you used to save the song from Suno. I'm just going to type Christmas because that was what I used, and I select that audio. It might take a while for your audio to import for the very first time, so be patient. Once it has imported, it will automatically select the first 30 seconds for animation. Now click on confirm at the top right corner, click on animate, and then click on animate image, and before you know it, your video will be ready. And this is what we have.
Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Click on save HD to save this onto your device. And if you would like to generate a complete video for the song, all you have to do is come back to DreamFace and select the song again, and just move the song to the next 30 seconds and then generate it until you are done generating the whole 3-minute song. The next thing is to take all of the generation to any video editing app of your choice. I'll be using CapCut for this. Click on new video and then select all the video clips. Once you select it, click on this particular button that says mute all to mute all the clips. Now you click on audio, then click on sounds and click this particular button right here. Now click on device and then click on the search bar, then type in the name of the song you downloaded from Suno. Once you find it, select it and add it to your clip. Play it and just make some adjustments. Once you're done, click on the export button and export it onto your device, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos, and I bet you will not be disappointed. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section. Are you going to be trying it out? Are you going to be creating Christmas songs for yourself, for your brand, for your family? Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know where you're watching me from. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.